1964 Chevrolet Impala SS, two-door hardtop. VIN decodes 4 for model year and then 1447. So a real deal, original SS 8-cylinder car. Underneath the hood right now, 350 V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. Headlights, surrounds, grille. A couple things I will point out. I noticed a little spot right up here where the trim is kind of tweaked just a little bit. Paint shows well, nice shine to it. A medium blue, white top car. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, SS wheel covers, white wall radials. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Bright work looks good. Sorry about the noise in the background. They're getting cars detailed and ready to be pictured in video, just like this one. Of course, bucket seats up front, center console, little aftermarket gauge cluster, and we'll get to that in a bit when we get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and then as usual, Jason will take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. You can see panel looks nice and straight from the rear to the front. Dual exhaust, chrome on the rear bumper. Of course, the iconic 64 Impala rear end, SS badging, and again, real deal SS. When we get underneath the hood, you are going to notice it does have an Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, HEI ignition, aluminum radiator, electric fan. And again, those still pictures, if you want to see that engine bay, take your time looking through it, uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, a few notes from the techs on this one. 80% brakes in the front. Rears are new, so new rear shoes, brakes, 80% in the front. It also has new rear wheel cylinders, new front sway bar links, as well as the rear shocks are also new and have just been replaced. Fuel gauge, a little off, so not accurate on the fuel gauge. Battery gauge in op, blower fan in op, no horn, and stereo is in op. So that's the notes from the technician on this one. Let's take a look on the driver's side, rear to the front. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Bright work looks good down the midriff of this car. If you like Impalas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Let's take a look at this interior. Door panel, looking good, SS badging. You'll be able to see the VIN plate in the still pictures too, so if you want to do any decoding on that yourself, feel free to. Of course, the bucket seats, vinyl cloth combination. There'll be this interior pictured from every angle in those still pictures. Over 100 pictures of this car, again, online, top to bottom. Let's go ahead and fire it up. So 350 power, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350, power steering. Dash looks good. All right, that aftermarket gauge cluster, oil pressure is working, as you can see. Temp gauge, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Battery gauge was in op. Good looking dash. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Door closes nicely. Little rumble rumble coming out of that V8, sounding good. All right, let me get this hood open. Let's check out this engine bay. And we'll wrap up this walk around video and get Jason to take it for a drive. There we go. Good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay, so aluminum radiator, mentioned that earlier. Electric fan. 350 V8 power steering. Edelbrock intake manifold as well as Edelbrock carburetor. There's that HEI ignition back there. Smooth runner. Looks like a newer alternator. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. (1964) Chevrolet Impala SS, real deal, two-door hardtop. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1964 Chevrolet Impala, a very iconic car from Chevrolet. 64 Impala, one of the most famous years. This is an automatic on the center console. That center console also houses a storage area. Light blue with a black interior on this car. Both our turn signal indicators are functioning. Fuel gauge is reading completely full. That one may not be accurate. Down below we have a temperature gauge coming up to 160 degrees. That's likely just still warming up and working as it should. The oil pressure showing 75 psi. That also looks good. There is a clock right over to the right here. The speedometer appears to be reading approximately correctly. Showing 55 right now. 55 miles an hour. Very original looking bucket seats in this car. Nice looking door panels. The steering wheel is clocked slightly to the left, and the car does pull a little to the right. That could just be a tire issue. Really pretty quiet on the highway. I'm not hearing any rattles or rumbles besides that rumble exhaust, which is great. Corner's about how you would expect a 64 to corner. A little bit of lean, just as much as there should be. Looking for a light blue 1964 Chevy Impala. Take a look at all the pictures over at UniqueClassicCars.com.